Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Malibu key fob here. It works for these models 2013 and 2016 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is press this button over here and this way you can open your switch plate here, your mechanical key. And now when you turn the fob like this and when you open your mechanical key over here, right from this hole with your thumbs here and here, just push up and this way you can remove this back piece very easily. So push from here up and you'll be able to remove this back piece very easily. So when you remove this back piece over here, right after that, here you see your dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver, insert tip here or here, and doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here, in the same way, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's the positive side here facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take this piece again, make sure you align it perfectly here like this. All corners to match perfectly, everything have to fit together nicely and just snap them together. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.